Okay, hello again everybody. I'm now at 11th Avenue and 34th Street at what would normally be the north end of the Highline Park, but the north end is closed off construction. But we're going to take you for a little treat here. As soon as I get myself organized here. Hope you can hear me. Let's hope that we have a signal. Yes, okay, I'm here at the new number 7 train station over here at 34th Street, Hudson Yards. This was just opened up less than a year ago, I guess in the fall of the year, in anticipation of the growth of this area. This development over the train yards here, they're called Hudson Yards. So we're going to go down and see if we have a signal down to the lower level, because there's something I want to show you there with this inclined elevator. It's the only one of its kind in New York. Let's see what happens here. Okay. Sorry for the shaky video, but I'm going down an escalator to the subway tunnel. Let's hope we don't lose the signal. And then I'm going to take this subway from here, this new station, back to Times Square. Hello to you in Saudi Arabia. Thank you for joining. I'm in New York City, 34th Street and 11th Avenue at the new subway station. All right, let me get my Metro card out. And let's see, we'll swipe through here. Swipe 1, senior citizen. Now, okay, the escalator goes down to the next level, but what I really want to show you is this inclined elevator. So I hope we have that in action here. Let's see, because I'll take that down. Is it working? Yes. Okay, it is. So let's try this out today. Let's try this out. All right. They're both down. I wonder if these are working. Maybe not. I guess they're out of shape, out of action. No, that's too bad. That would have been a nice ride to see. No. Guess they wore them out. All right, well, let's take the no.